Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the camera and subject so the eyes fill roughly 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame. This makes detail capture easier. Once done, set soft, diffuse lighting at about 45 degrees to cut reflections, but keep pupil size natural, and seat the person about 50 to 70 centimeters from the lens. Make sure the background is plain to avoid distracting autofocus. Together, these steps give you a clean, consistent visual foundation to begin recording. Now you refine focus and camera settings so the footage is sharp and usable. First, lock focus on the eye with manual focus or use the camera's eye detection. This prevents hunting during blinks. Then choose frame rate, 60 to 120 frames per second for slow motion detail, 30 for normal motion, and set aperture between f/2, 8 and f/5, 6 to balance depth of field and sharpness. Finally, disable digital zoom. Use optical if needed. Stabilize the camera, and neutralize exposure. When you record, capture several short takes with the subject looking straight, left, right, and slightly up and down so you get comprehensive coverage. Once a take is done, review it on a larger screen to confirm sharp focus, absence of flicker or specular highlights, and clear pupil visibility. If problems appear, make simple fixes. Change the light angle to reduce glare, raise shutter speed to freeze motion, or move the subject a few centimeters to restore focus. This ensures usable eye footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.